Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about a crucial topic for anyone starting out in international business. How to calculate import duties and tax. Whether you are a small business owner or just curious about global trade, understanding these costs is essential. So let's break it down in simple terms. First of all, what are import duties and taxes? These are fees that government charge when goods are brought in a country. They help protect local industries and generate revenue. But calculate them can seem complicated. Don't worry, we will make it easy for you.
Step 1. Know your product.
The amount you will pay depends on what you are importing. Different products have different duty rates. You can find this information using the Harmonized System Code or just HS Code, which classifies goods for international trade. You can look up your product's HS code on your country's customs website or use an online lookup tool. This code will tell you the specific duty rate for your product.
Step 2. Calculate the customs value.
This is the total value of your goods, including the cost of the items, shipping, and insurance. For example, if you buy a product for $100 and pay $20 for shipping and insurance, your customs value is $120. Here's a quick formula. Customs value equals cost of goods plus shipping plus insurance.
Step 3. Apply the duty rate.
Multiply the customs value by the duty rate to find out how much you own. If your duty rate is 5% and your customs value is $120, you will pay $6 in duties. So again, duty customs value times duty rate. In our example, it's $120 times 0.05, which equals $6.
Step 4. Add the taxes.
Besides import duties, you might have to pay additional taxes like VAT or sales tax. These vary by country and are usually a percentage of the customs value plus the duty amount. For example, if your VAT rate is 10% and your total duty amount is $6, your VAT would be 10% of $126, which includes customs value plus duties. That's $12.60.
Step 5. Calculate the total cost.
Add up the duties, taxes, and any other fees to get the final amount you will pay. This helps you budget and avoid surprises. So if your duties are $6, VAT is $12.60 and there is a $10 processing fee, your total cost is $28.60. Following these basic steps, you can easily calculate import duties and tax for your shipment. Remember, rules and rates can vary, so always check with your local customs office for the most accurate information. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and for any questions about international business, drop them in the comments below. I'm Italo, and I will see you in the next video.